Hello guys, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to add contact form using WPBakery page builder in your WordPress blog. To add contact form in your page or blog, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Once you logged into your dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new. Once you logged into your site, search WP Forms plugin. Install first plugin and activate the plugin. Now go back to dashboard. The plugin will take you to its home page. Now click on create your first form. Enter form name and select pre-made simple contact form. Click on use template. Now here you can see the preview of form. You can add some other add-ons like checkbox, number, reCAPTCHA, any other thing that you want. There are some pro features in this blog. Now just save changes. Add contact form on your blog. I will do two steps. For the first step, I will copy a shortcode. Now click on this cross button. It will take you to dashboard. Now go to pages and click on add new page. Add page title. Publish the page and click on WPBakery page builder. Now click on backend editor. Click on this plus button and add text block. Now paste shortcode here and save changes. Now update the page and view the page. You can see the contact form was added in your page. Now for the second step, I will use contact form widget in WPBakery. For this, go back to editor. Click on this cross button. Now click on add element button. Go to content section and select WP forms widget. Now here you have to select your form. I am selecting contact me. You can change features like display form name and description. Now save changes, update the page, and now view the page. Now you can see the contact form added in your page by using WP Bakery contact form widget. That's how you can add contact form in your page by using WP Bakery. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.